Taxes are one of the biggest expenses you'll ever pay in your lifetime, yet the wealthy pay far less in taxes than the average person. It's not because they're cheating the system, it's because they know how to use tax laws in their favor. If you don't learn how to do the same, you'll always be losing money unnecessarily. How the rich pay less in taxes. 1. They make money differently. The middle class earns money primarily through salaries W to income, which is taxed at the highest rates. The rich, however, earn most of their money from capital gains, real estate, and businesses, which are taxed at much lower rates. Instead of working for money, they make money work for them. 2. They use business write-offs. Wealthy individuals own businesses that allow them to deduct expenses including travel, meals, vehicles, and even home office costs, legally lowering their taxable income. Meanwhile, W-2 employees pay full taxes first and spend what's left. The rich spend first and pay taxes on what remains. 3. They invest in real estate for tax breaks. Owning rental properties allows the wealthy to use depreciation, mortgage interest deductions, and property write-offs to reduce taxable income even while their assets increase in value. Real estate is one of the most powerful tax shelters available. 4. They use tax-advantaged investment accounts. Instead of keeping cash in savings accounts, the rich use tax-free or tax-deferred accounts like a Roth IRA, 401k, or health savings account (SHA) to protect more of their income from taxation. This allows them to grow wealth faster without giving as much to the IRS. 5. They borrow money instead of selling assets. One of the biggest loopholes. Borrowing against their assets instead of selling them, the rich take out low-interest loans backed by their stock portfolios, real estate, or businesses, instead of selling investments and triggering taxable events. This lets them access cash tax-free while their investments keep growing. What you can do to pay less in taxes. The wealthy don't just work hard, they work smart. You don't need to be a millionaire to use these strategies. Start by shifting your income toward investments instead of just a paycheck. Starting a business, even a small side hustle to access tax deductions, investing in real estate for tax benefits, using tax-advantaged accounts to grow wealth faster. Learning tax strategies so you keep more of what you earn. The bottom line, the rich don't cheat the system, they understand it. The biggest tax mistake. Not learning the legal strategies available to you. The sooner you start using these tax-saving techniques, the faster you can build wealth and stop overpaying the government.